Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by enabling monetization and completing identity verification so donations can flow. First, confirm you meet 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. Then link AdSense and submit tax details. Once done, turn on channel memberships and Super Chat where available, and prepare third-party options for regions not supported. While you're doing that, set up a dedicated donations page and payment processor so viewers have clear, immediate ways to give. This establishes eligibility and immediate first-step access. You now build the systems that convert viewers into donors. Integrate PayPal, Stripe, Patreon, or other processors so you support one-time and recurring donations. Test checkout flows. Then, design clear visual CTAs, panels, pinned comments, live overlays, and end-screen prompts that tell viewers exactly how to give and what they get. Also, create reward tiers and a short, transparent statement explaining how funds will be used. This increases trust and lifts conversions, especially when paired with social proof. You launch and iterate. Promote donation options in every live stream, premiere, and community post, and include CTAs in video starts and ends. Once active, monitor conversion percentage, average donation value, and donor retention. Then a /B test CTAs, rewards, and overlay placement to optimize. If something breaks, first check payment processor settings, AdSense status, and regional feature availability, and verify tax holds or identity verification. If unresolved, remove and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.